I made a house. Want to see how I did it? I started this house like any other house, with a mere mortal piece of wood. But then I transformed it. Let me show you in deeper detail. Now I'm down here. First, you will see the graveyard. It is spooky. Many of our friends are down here. Would you like to visit or stay for a while? Oh, that's cool. Of course, we also have a lovely fence. Oh, that's cool. Wow. Oh, that's how you did that. Huh. Cool. The large hands placed them in here. This is the roof. I made it like any other roof. How did I get up here? What do you think? The ladder down there. There's a ladder. Of course, we had to add a tree A dead tree. No other kind will work here. The last thing you'll see is my friend the ghost. He's nice, don't worry. He won't steal much. Maybe your soul. I'm gonna go back up now. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my beautiful home. The spirits from the beyond are telling me, if you do enjoy it, like and subscribe. Do it. If you won't. Farewell, my friends. Oh, I have a cat now. An evil cat. Evil cat. Farewell. Oh, that's cool.